Let's talk about a quick pro tip that will help you tremendously when buying real estate. Now, you're probably aware that whenever you're looking to buy a rental property, it is a timely process. There's a lot of moving parts, there's a lot of people, there's a lot of steps involved to ensure you get to the closing table and buy. But even before you start the process of making offers, there's a step that you can take to ensure that you win more of the agreements that you put out there or offers that you make. And that pro tip is understanding and getting your finances lined up before you ever start to make offers. Here's what I mean. If you go to buy a property and you have to look at it, run your numbers, due diligence, make an offer, and it finally gets accepted, and then you have to go to the bank and get pre-approved and get funded, there's a high likelihood that you will miss out on that property because somebody else can close on it quicker, or they're more prepared and can move forward right then and there instead of having to wait. So my pro tip is make sure you have your financing locked in before you ever put that offer in on a property. So if you're working with banks, for instance, I recommend small local community banks. You want to make sure to call them and get pre-approved. A lot of times this can take a couple weeks. They need financial documents from you. They need to understand your strategy, your experience, what you're looking to do. And that'll, again, take some time for you to gather it and also for them to go through it and present you with what they're willing to do and the money that they're able to lend you. Or if you're even going the private money route, making sure you have these people lined up, what they feel comfortable with investing with you, and when can they fund that money whenever you're ready for it. This will all help you move much, much faster on the back end of making offers, being able to get them accepted, and understanding exactly the time frame that you need to close. And so I promise you, if you will do that part first, you'll know what you're qualified to buy, how much you can invest, and the pace in which you can move. And you can all factor that into your purchase agreement when you start to make offers. The last thing that you want to do is get really excited about a deal or come across something that's a really strong cash flow in property, but you can't move on it because you have to wait a few weeks for the bank or your investor because you have to start after you have found this property. So my pro tip again is get your financing ironed out ahead of time before you start making offers, and this will allow you to move much, much quicker on the back end and ensure that you win a lot of the deals that you put offers in on. So I hope you found this helpful. Be sure to check out a video that I published last week that should be somewhere here on this screen, and I will catch you on the next one. Bye for now.